Hi, I'm Craig Turner with Momentum AI. Thanks for joining us on our Momentum AI for Chambers of Commerce YouTube channel, where we deliver prompts and tools for chambers of commerce to use in their everyday life, in your everyday life. Today, I'm going to do one for you that I call website audit. We'll use this in our training sometimes, and it's a pretty powerful prompt for you. It's so powerful, in fact, that I'm gonna ramp up the prompt itself by asking ChatGPT to do the prompt for me. So here's what I want. Give me a good prompt that I can use to feed in my website URL and have ChatGPT do a comprehensive analysis of it. I'd like to emphasize best practices for readability, SEO, accessibility, user engagement, and attractiveness. And if there are any best practice hallmarks to measure against, that would be great too. So basically what I'm doing, I want to have a good, thorough assessment of my chamber website, but I'm not quite sure how to ask that prompt to get the best results. So I'm going to have ChatGPT write the prompt for me, and then we're going to use that prompt to assess the website. So it's got everything that we asked for: readability, SEO, accessibility, and it did. It pulled some best practices for us. That's perfect. So, okay, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to cut and paste this prompt now into the thing, and I'm going to use, as you've seen on our YouTube channel, I'm going to use our fake Chamber of Commerce that we created, the West Sparta Chamber of Commerce. It does not exist. It's not a real chamber. Don't try to join it, but we use it for so we can actually show how these things work without having to ask for access to anyone's real Chamber of Commerce. So I would like a comprehensive analysis of the website at westspartachamber.com, and then here's everything else from the prompt that we have. So it's going to read the website, starting there. And that quickly, I have a review of my website. I'm very curious what it's going to say. So let's see. Readability, content is straightforward, fix the sentence structure, look at the font size, use more subheadings. Okay, that's all easy stuff. Keywords, lacks meta descriptions. Okay, I haven't put all meta descriptions in and everything, so but that's something to think about for your real life website. Accessibility, I was going for the look, so I had something to look at. Accessibility, some of the colors don't work well together. Let's see. Standards, alt descriptions, keyboard accessibility. User engagement, this is the one I was really most interested in. Basic calls to action like become a member, but these could be more prominent. Improve the visibility of call to action, to incorporate more interactive elements like pop-ups or chatbots. I probably will experiment with a chatbot at some point so that then I can teach all of you how to do that. Easy way to get involved. Once you've got people to your website, you want to get them involved as quickly as possible. Color scheme is consistent but plain. It was my ChatGPT generated logo, I guess, is not aesthetic enough. Consider updating the site with a fresher, bolder design that reflects the chamber's energy and purpose. Okay, so there you go. I've got a pretty good path forward based on the what they're recommending to me. But I'm gonna dig in a little bit. Okay, let's. Can you give me regarding attractiveness? Let's say. Can you lay out some steps I can take to make the site, what does it say? A fresher, bolder design. Modernize the color scheme with more vibrant, contrasting colors. Choose contemporary fonts with clear hierarchies. That's an interesting thing. I've never really dug into fonts. I kind of choose the same font all the time with my websites. Structure content, more white space, higher quality visuals, and more interactive elements. So what I wanted to show you was how we get the basis, and then we can dig into what all these things mean. Everybody's got all kinds of different. Any chamber website you go to is different from any other chamber website, even if you have the same web hosting. It just, everybody's got different pieces. The community has different needs. There's different information that you can put in. You could talk about your audience. We've got more of a baby boomer audience. We've got more of a Gen Z audience. You could build those things into this analysis as well. But I wanted to show you how detailed and forward thinking and analysis you can get simply by putting your website in. Now, I use this for all kinds of things. I'll write a blog by hand as a human, plug it in and say, what am I missing? What do you think? And get some feedback on it. I will. You can use it for a strategy. I have a strategy. What do you think of this strategy? It really actually is a magnificent tool for enhancing whatever you're working on. For this purpose, we use website, and I think you can see how well it actually works. So thanks for tuning in. Stick around. We got lots more videos coming for Chambers of Commerce and a lot of really good prompts and tools. Hi, this is Craig Turner from Momentum AI. Thanks so much for stopping by and checking out our video. If you like what you saw, it was helpful, and you want more AI tips, don't forget to click our subscribe button and turn on notifications so you know when we launch new content. Now, if you really want to take it to the next level, I want to send you to MomentumHub.ai, where you can learn about our platform we created specifically for Chambers of Commerce that can get an AI-generated, customized, personalized membership strategy in the hands of every one of your members.